Hey everyone, if you're like me and you have an iPhone and a PC, you struggle to get pictures from here to there. I know it's not just me, I looked on the internet, right? I have a cable, it connects one to the other, I should be able to just drag them, but it doesn't work that way. The internet says to use Windows Media Player and follow these steps. I follow the step, maybe it downloads one picture if I'm lucky and then it times out. So what I've been doing is I've been paying 99 cents a month for iCloud just so I could see the pictures on my computer and then convert them and download them. There has to be a better way, and I found it. This feels like a hack. It's so easy. So let me show you. What I'm doing is I'm using Zoom Docs. So let me get Zoom Workplace behind me. Go to Docs. Create a new document. I'm going fast because this is such an easy thing. I'm going to call it iPhone Pics. And then, so let me open Zoom on my phone and go to Docs. And there it is, iPhone Pics. So go into it, and there's our empty doc. And just start a new line, start typing. And when the keyboard comes up, just like anything else, a little add button gives me some options. And there's an option to add images from my photo library. So let me pick out a few good ones. Hold on a second. Okay, so I tagged a bunch of pictures. Let me click add. And it's already starting to happen. I'm guessing it might take a minute or so for it to... Oh wait, it's happening quick. I was thinking it would take a minute or so for things to start. All right, I was going to edit. I was going to edit this part of the video because I thought it was going to take a while for them to come up. Let me move myself out of the way so you could see. Isn't he lovely? Aw. Do you know what a pain it would have been to get these pictures from this phone to this computer? And now they're here. They're on my computer. I could just download them to my desktop or my special kitty folder or whatever. Oh my goodness. This is a hack. All right. Thank you all so much. I hope you really enjoyed this. Please let me know if you like more of this stuff in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.